Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to my channel again. My name is Joan and thanks for watching. This is a hot glue gun stand that I'm going to make and you'll see how I accomplish this. That's the supplies I use: Mod Podge, paint, ruler, paper, cardboard. And I go ahead and I got some images from Google, some images of Minnie Mouse. That's what I want to choose for my team. And I cut it out. I prepare a piece of cardboard. I chose the size that I wanted. And I put Mod Podge all over the cardboard. Then I use a piece of pink paper, construction paper, and I attach it to the cardboard with a Mod Podge. We use Mod Podge also to seal the edges. Then I turn it around, took a can, and just roll it to smooth it out. Then I measure the other side, the paper for the other side, and I draw a line with a ruler to make sure that it's straight. And I cut it out. And I fix it to the cardboard after applying the Mod Podge. And I attach it to the cardboard and smooth it out and seal the edges. Next, I decorate the thing with Minnie Mouse. I attach it to the board, and I use black paint to make little dots all over the board. Then I go ahead and I work on the stand. I put a bow in the back of the stand and I paint around the edges in black. And I use a Starbucks empty container to make the stand for the glue stick. I embellish it with red construction paper. I put Minnie Mouse on top of it, washi tape on the top, on the rim, and black spots of paint all over. I decoupage and Mod Podge all of that together. Then I put some purple paint around the black paint just to embellish it a little bit. That's how it looks so far. Then I go ahead and I paint the bottom rim with black paint, black craft paint. Now attach everything to the board. Make sure everything is affixed to the board. Glue everything in. And put Mod Podge all over to give it a glossy shine. And this is a finished product. This is how it looks. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and thanks for your time.